Lexi, what's some info about the macruchania? Today's our last day in Puerto Natales before we go up or down to Punta Arenas to see the penguins. So for our last few hours, we took a taxi and we are going to go see the Milodone Caves. We just have a short amount of time before we have to catch our taxi back into town. There's a tree there, so let's go. Okay, this is an extinct macruchania. One of its best features is that its nostrils actually contract. It's supposed to be the size of a camel, but as you can see, I don't think this is sized accurately.
There's very little evidence on this animal.
Mostly I wanted to say macruchania.
Apparently, I missed out on some facts here that Eric's going to fill us in on.
Heard the signs around the cave. The cave actually used to have a big glacier out in the front of it, which melted a while ago, and that made a giant lake inside of the cave. Eventually the lake dried up and just left the cave. Around the same time, it sounds like that's when the last ice age was finishing up, so that's when all of the animals started to become extinct as well.
There you go.
There you go.
So, we didn't end up making it to Condor Point because we're all exhausted and hurting. And it was basically a flashback to the hike around Torres del Paine. So right now we're gonna take the taxi back down to town and get some lunch. Alright, so we got really lucky. I saw this Patagonia Dulce place online on TripAdvisor. It was pretty high up there and I'm super excited. This is our last day in Puerto Natales and they just opened up after a 15-day quarantine. And we luckily got to take the food for takeover, or takeout. Takeover, either way, takeout. But I'm so excited because they're really known for their hot chocolate and sweets, and I have the biggest sweet tooth. Erica, not so much, but I love sweets. Like that one time I got 8 cavities because I love sweets so much.
So since they were closed on the inside, we just came to the nice square park and we're eating all of our desserts and our sandwiches. So I got the salmon sandwich on a olive multi-grain bread. Mine has a pesto sauce with salmon and cream cheese. Mine's pretty good. What about yours, Humbo?
I got the prosciutto with crema, and then also the same kind of bread Erica got with olives. It's good. It's soft. There's not a whole like punch of flavor, but it's not bad. So finally, time for the best part. The creamy texture of the top is on point.
Fine.
Very moist, not too sweet, which is just like right in the middle. It's perfect. Get out of here! You're taking it all. Don't give me that after last night. I wish I had the camera to show everybody what Lexi ate last night. Tacos, about 3 times bigger than this container.
No, they were.
Yeah. Okay, I'll give you double time. I'll give you 2 of these containers. The tacos. Plus a whole pizza. Like, it wasn't a personal pan pizza as you would expect in like the U.S.
It was a personal pan.
No, it was a Lexi. It was a Lexi personal
It
pan.
was a small, medium pizza.
It was a Lexi personal pan.
Erica, help me out.
All right, no, for real though. We're on our way to go get our bus tickets and then head out to Punta Arenas. Hopefully we'll find some good food there. I didn't really do much research on that one. Hopefully someone else did.
Nope.
No? Okay, well, we're winging it. Woo!
I got my backpacking gear on my back and the rest of the trip on the front.
So we just got back to our hostel. We're only staying here one night in Punta Arenas. And we're pretty exhausted, so we're going to actually just crash out. We're gonna end the video here, and we'll see you tomorrow, first thing in the morning.